Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enter into the recovery mode if you forgot your PIN on your Android device. So I have a Samsung phone right here on the left and then a Fire HD tablet. Now these are going to be very similar. On the Android Samsung phone over here, I have a bixby button, a third button on my phone that I'll need to go ahead and press. But on my regular tablet, my Android tablet here, I only have the volume keys and the power key. So it's going to be a little bit different. On the tablet version or just a standard Android phone, I want to go ahead and turn off my device by simply holding down the power button and the volume down key at the same time. Now on the tablet, the volume down key is actually on the outside. So I'm going to press the volume down. I can see the volume is going down on the tablet. So let's hold this down, the power key and the volume down key, and this will turn off the tablet and it will take a picture. Then when the tablet powers off, we want to transition to the volume up key and the power button. So the tablet should turn off after about 10 to 15 seconds. Now transition to the volume up key and the power button, hold this down, and we should be able to enter into the recovery mode where we can wipe the data and factory reset our device if we forgot the PIN. So this should boot into the recovery mode right now. So I can see that coming up, and you can control the menu by using the volume up and down key and then press the power button to select it. So let's go to wipe data and factory reset right here. Press the power button and then you should be good to go. You can completely bypass that security pin. So I'm going to reboot this device now and put it to the side. Now on my Samsung device, this is going to be a little bit different. So I'm going to press the power button to wake up the screen, press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Now I'm going to take a picture. My phone is going to restart. Now when the phone turns off, switch to the volume up button, the bixby button and the power button at the same time and press and hold all three of those buttons down at the same time. And then you'll launch into the recovery mode just like you did on your tablet. Then use the volume down key to wipe data and factory reset. And it's kind of hard to see. Then press the power button and you'll bypass that security pin, and it's really easy to do. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.